Hey guys, welcome back to the channel DMO TV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean panfish and I'm going to be cooking it. The other day I went fishing and I caught a bunch of bluegill. So I kept some of the big ones and I'm going to show you how to clean them and cook them today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to see me watching all these bluegill, just go through my playlist. You'll see the video there, and I might leave a link in the description so you can check it out. So let's get started cleaning the fish, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook it.
Alright guys, so got bluegill here, as you can see. So all the meat on the bluegill is gonna be on the top area right here, because they have a big rib cage. So you wanna make an incision right behind that gill plate right there. Okay, so you make that incision. Now you're gonna come to the top and you wanna follow that backbone. Okay, so once you get through here, the rib cage is not there anymore. So you just want to go all the way through, just like that. Okay, and then you want to come down to the tail, but don't cut it all the way through. Leave that skin attached to it. Now you can lift this up and use the tip of your fillet knife, following the backbone, just like this. You can open it up just like that. Now you're gonna see the rib cage right there. So you want to get all the meat that you can. Okay. Now you're gonna flip it over just like that, and you're gonna use the skin attached to the fish. That way you can hold the fish and you can use your fillet knife and take the skin off, just like that. And this is all the meat you get. That's one side. So you can see this is the rib cage. There's no meat over here. So all the meat that we got was on the main top area right here. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Do the same thing. We're gonna make an incision like that. Then we're gonna go on the top and follow that backbone. Once you get to right here, you can go all the way through, all the way to the tail. Don't cut the skin. Now you want to open it up and start following the backbone. You get to the rib cage and go above the rib cage, just like that. And use that skin, use the fish to take the skin off. There you go. 2 boneless bluegill fillets. So you can see there's not a lot of meat left on the fish. See? So I'm gonna do it again. So make an incision right there, just like that. Come to the back. With the tip of your knife, follow the backbone. So once you get right here, you come all the way through, go all the way to the tail, then open it up. That's the rib cage right there. You see the bones. Okay, flip it this way and get the fillet out. Oh, the skin fell out. So if that happens, if the skin gets detached, the best thing you can do is you want to grab a fork and hold the skin with the fork. Okay, see, this is just skin. You see? Just skin. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. Again. Go right there. Come on, go through. And follow the backbone. Get to the rib cage. Alright. Then separate the meat from the skin. And now we're gonna season it. This is the seasoning I'm gonna be using. Goya adobo. It's one of my favorites. So you wanna season it lightly. Doesn't need a lot of seasoning, guys. Put a little bit of lemon juice on it. And put some of this lemon right here. Just like that. Now we're gonna turn the oven on. We'll put it at 300. We're gonna go ahead and put a fish inside. So while the fish is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and saute a few vegetables. So I have a pan here. Put a little bit of olive oil on it. All right, so I got some carrots. These are garden carrots, and I got some peppers, just sweet peppers. I'm gonna add a little bit of adobo, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this garlic powder, that, and just a little bit of the pink Himalayan salt, just a hint. Now we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. So we want the vegetables just to get soft, especially the carrots. Like I said, this is not regular carrots. These are, we call them garden carrots. They're smaller and they get cooked faster than regular carrots. So I'm gonna saute that. So by the time this is done, the fish will probably be almost done. Alright guys, I think our fish is ready. So I got my vegetables right here. Go ahead and set up the fish on the plate. Ooh, that's hot. This whole recipe took me like 20 minutes. There you go, guys. That's a bluegill with some sauteed vegetables, and this is gonna taste delicious. Alright guys, it's just me today, so I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. This is the bluegill. That's great. Bluegill is actually really good. A lot of people love eating it. I like it. I eat it now every now and then. But you can just go ahead and catch some fish, take it home, clean it, cook it, make a couple vegetables, and you have lunch. And it's natural, you know. You caught it from the wild. It's not a fish that's been raised.
So nowadays the way they raise fish is a lot better than they used to, but still it's not like a natural fish that's out there in the wild that you can catch it, bring it home and eat it, you know. So it's really good, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. So you see how white and flaky the meat is? Now the way we fillet the fish, we have no bones on the meat. Okay? There's no bones on the meat. So go ahead and try it and let me know. If you guys go ahead and keep some fish, clean them and cook it, let me know how you guys cook it. Let me know how it went. I would really want to know, guys. Just let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys on the next video.